Okay, so the first theorem is called the circumcenter theorem. I know that's a new word. What this theorem means is that we're going to use the highlighters. PD, PE, and PF are perpendicular bisectors in this triangle. So I'm going to highlight those in this color pink. So PD right here is a perpendicular bisector, so that means it makes a 90-degree angle, and it bisects this segment. So like this is the same length as this, right? And then PE is a perpendicular bisector of this segment, makes the 90-degree angle. And then this part of the line is the same length as this part because this hits at the midpoint there. And then PF right here is a perpendicular bisector as well. It's perpendicular and it bisects this line, so this is the same length as this here. Okay, with these three perpendicular bisectors, it intersects at this point right here, and this point is called the circumcenter. Circumcenter. Oof, I'm going to run out of room here. Circumcenter. Maybe I should zoom in a little bit more too. Okay, so this point is called the circumcenter. And the circumcenter is equidistant from each corner. So this length, and this length, the circumcenter is the same distance to each vertex of the triangle. So this is the same length as this, the same length as this. So PA equals PB equals PC. Okay, so something I made a note of last year is on the EOC, students really had to have that memorized, that the perpendicular bisectors intersect at the circumcenter. So I made this chart up here to kind of like tell you what you need to know. The perpendicular bisectors, these segments where they intersect is the circumcenter. Like that. So I wish I had a song or like an acronym or something that would help us remember that. Maybe I'll look for one or come up with one. Then these vocabulary words right here. Concurrent lines are three lines that intersect at one point. So like these perpendicular bisectors are concurrent lines. The point of concurrency is the point of intersection. So this would be the point of concurrency. And specifically in this situation, it's the circumcenter. The circumcenter is where three perpendicular bisectors intersect, which we showed. And then incenter is the next theorem. It's where three angle bisectors intersect. So this theorem right here, where the three angle bisectors intersect, is the incenter. So AP, BP, and CP are angle bisectors of the triangle. So I'm going to highlight those. Angle bisector breaks the angle up into two equal pieces. Like this side is the same as that. Angle bisector right here. Angle bisector right here. And so it breaks each of these up the same. And then this would be the same as this over here. And this side of the angle is supposed to be three lines, is the same as this. And then specifically the intersection point is called the incenter. And the incenter is equidistant from each of the lines. So this right here, these blue lines are the same length. So this is the same length as this, same length as this. Okay, so those are the main ideas, and now we're going to move over to the practice page.